Hi everybody, so today I've got a Rebecca to show you. It is on Sector D and it's got a hot tub. So let's go over and bring you over and show you this beautiful house. So guys, this is the villa I'm showing you. And as you can see, beautiful mountains down there that surround camp. So we're like a microclimate. So you have off-road parking here, as you can see. And there's enough room for one car. There's a cover here. You have a gas boiler and a water point just there. And this is like a shed here. It's like a little man cave. So you can have it as storage or just for him indoors. Or the lady of the house could even have this as a craft room, couldn't she? So I'm going to take you inside now and we go into the main house itself. So just here, this used to be the terrace. It's been enclosed and it makes extra accommodation. So you have got very reflective windows there. They're closed and they open up. So I left one lot of windows open so you could have a look, you know. And just here, if you go out here, there is another section just here of another entrance, you know, but you could enclose this even more because just here you got the doors and they come over. Okay, so I'm just going to pan around now and we're going to have a walk and look inside. Just above you have got ceiling lights and fans, and you've got two of them. Keeps it nice and cool in here as well. So let's go into the main house. So we just go inside here. So as you can see, it's nice and open. Just here, you've got your big widescreen TV. And you can see it's quite a long living room. You got those ceiling fans and lights above, the quite modern ones. If I show you just up there, they are fans as well as lights. You've also got your aircon over there. So I'm going to take you through and we'll have a look at the two bedrooms and the family bathroom. So just in here is the master bedroom. As you can see, it's quite a substantial size bedroom. You have got insect screens on the windows here. And you got security locks on the windows. Just at the side of the headboard there you've got sorry guys, you've got your switches and sockets there. I had to think for a moment. I'm not normally lost for words. But you've got a freestanding wardrobe there and a dressing table, and of course you've got your aircon there as well. Okay. So nice big bedroom. Give you a good look at that with your aircon. And in here is the second bedroom. Again with the modern ceiling light and fans, very decorative. Oops. You have got insect screens on the windows as well. And you got there as well, so different angle. You got two freestanding single wardrobes on either side of the bed there. Okay. So just in here is your bathroom suite. You've got a vanity unit and you've got your WC. You've also got nice big double shower with a clear screen, shower screen on it. Frosted glass window, nice modern lights. Really nice bathroom suite. Now just in here, as you can see, it's open plan. We're going back through the house again. You've got your kitchen area here with your integrated gas hob and your electric oven. You've got an integrated microwave there, your fridge freezer, plenty of top and base units, and your sink and drainer, and a water filter tap. You have got lights under the cupboards. Here, this is an extra area. They're using this as a bedroom, but you could Easy, use it as a utility room or a little dining area or whatever you want it, okay? It has insect screens and blackout blinds on the windows and security locks. So coming back out, and you've got these beautiful double doors here. You've got your aircon up there above. So it's quite open plan feel to this property. And just out here you've got your dryer and your washing machine. This is quite a large outside space. And just as the bottom there, under the stairs, you got understairs storage. You've also got an awning there as well. So I'm going to take you upstairs, guys, and have a look upstairs. If you want to come with me. Well, hey guys, look at this. A hot tub. I do like a hot tub. So you got a hot tub with this property. You got fantastic rooftop solarium space outside. You got a nice big dining room table and chairs. You got storage over the far side, and you've got a bar. This is quite substantial the way they've done this. You got your bar stools there. You got a sink and drainer, and you got your fridge. You got a nice bar unit here, and of course you got cupboard space just there. Barbecue there. It's quite a good space, and oh my god, look at those views over there. They're spectacular, and they're all round. And of course just over here you've got your loungers where you have the sun all day, I bet. This is really nice. Oh my god, look at those views over there. So guys, this is a beautiful property. It's got a bar, it's got a barbecue, you've got your sink and drainer up here, you've got your lounge area, you've got your hot tub area. What more could you want? And those fabulous views just behind me. Absolutely stunning. The beaches are only 8 kilometers away. H&Bs are and all that, big shopping centres, and they are fantastic shopping centres, I got to say. They're about an hour from here. The airport is 28 minutes, Cavera, Murcia International, and then Alicante is about 70 to 80 minutes drive. Depends on whether you drive like a snail on Valium or not, you know. If you're a quick driver, you get there in an hour. But anyway, it's a lovely place. We've even got our own hospital first response unit here called FAST, and if you want to be a volunteer there, they'll train you up. You've got nearly everything you could possibly want. You've got vets, shops, bars, cafes, church, everything here, you know. So it's well worth coming and taking a look around yourself and just having a look. All right. So until the next time, don't forget to share on your social media, and I'll see you the next time, guys. Take care. So I'm going to take you back downstairs now. So if you are interested in the property, don't forget to contact Dawn at tolettoseltobuy.com. She's the owner of the estate agency. I'm Maria, I just do the videos. People mix us up sometimes. Do check out our website, and don't forget to share this on social media, because somebody out there is going to love this property, especially that outside space above. Absolutely fantastic. So until the next time, guys, take care. This would make a lovely permanent or holiday home here in Spain. So see you again.